Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can get karma on Reddit fast. Now, to quickly increase your Reddit karma, you want to focus on engaging with communities where you can contribute meaningful content. You want to post thoughtful comments and create original content like images or videos in popular subreddits. You want to be active in discussions and aim to be one of the first to comment on new posts. You want to avoid negative or low effort posts and focus on positive interaction. So, to summarize, all you have to do to get a karma on Reddit fast is you have to be really active on forums. For example, we have an Apple forum right here. You want to go ahead and provide thoughtful or positive posts or comments on the forums right here. And with that, you will be able to go ahead and get yourself a karma on Reddit. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.